Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 4. And my dear student, there is a good news for you. There is no HW today. But you have to practice this CQ more and more times. Okay, and today's topic name exercise 4.1. From 4.1 we shall solve CQ number 14. Okay, I repeat, from 4.1 we shall solve question number 14. Okay, so my dear student, I have already written the question on the board. At first we read the question. The two numbers are A and B. Two numbers are A and B. Where A greater than B, that means condition is given which is A greater than B. That's why if A equal to 3, then B must be less than 3. That means it will be 2, 1, whatever. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 12. That means A plus B equal to 12, right? And the product is 32. That means AB equal to 32. Okay. A number multiply with the help of formula 2x plus 3 2x minus 7. So, in order to solving question number A, we need not the information which is in STEM. But in order to solve B and C, we need this information. Okay, B number, find out the value of 2a square plus 2b square. Okay, C number, prove that a plus 2b whole square minus 5b square equal to 176. So, first of all, we shall solve question number A. Okay, A number is twice x plus 3 and 2x minus 7. My dear student, can you remember this formula? X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, this is the formula. By applying this formula, we shall solve this one. Okay, here x means 2x and a means 3, b means minus 7. Okay, now we use this formula, that means x square, here x means 2x square plus formulas plus, after that we do second bracket, a plus b, here a means 3, formulas plus, and b means minus 7, second bracket close, and into x, but here x means 2x, formulas plus, then AB, A means 3 and B means minus 7. I hope you have understood how to write this. Okay, now we do calculation. 2a square means 2 2s are 4, x square, plus 3 plus minus 7, that means 3 minus 7 into 2x, minus plus minus 3 7s are 21, 4x square plus 3 minus 4, that means minus 4, 3 minus 7, that means minus 4 into 2x minus 21. My dear student, this minus and plus, and it will be minus 4 2s are 8x minus 21, and this is the answer of this question. Do you understand? Okay, my dear student, I repeat. 2x, that means this means x, 3 means a, and minus 7 means b. So, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. So, now we do calculation. 4x square plus minus minus 7 into 2x, 7 3s are 21 plus minus minus. Now, we subtract minus 7 from plus 3 and we get minus 7 plus minus minus, and 4 2s are 8x, and this minus 21 is written here. Okay, number done. Next we shall solve question number B. So, in order to solve question number B, we need the information which is stated in the STEM. So, which is the sum of two numbers is 12. First of all, write given that two numbers are A and B. Okay. where A greater than B. According to the condition, sum of two numbers is 12. That means A plus B equal to 12, and product of two numbers is, that means AB equal to what? AB equal to 32. By using these two information, we shall solve question number B. Now the expression is 2A square plus 2B square. Dear student, 2A square plus 2B square, that means we take 2 common, that means A square plus B square. So we write 2 here, and what is the formula of A square plus B square? The formula of A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Okay, 2 into, what is the value of A plus B? It is 12. That means 12 square minus 2 into, what is the value of AB? It is 32. So write 32 and give here side note by putting values of A plus B and AB. Okay, now 2 into second bracket 12 square means 144 minus 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now we do multiplication with subtraction. If we subtract 64 from 144, then we get 440, 6 to 14, 8. Now we do multiplication, 8 2s are 16. So 160 is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall solve question number C. Here we need to prove A plus 2B whole square minus 5B square equal to 176. That means we solve the left hand side of this question, and if we can make 176 after solving, then our proof is done. Okay, so first of all, please notice here left hand side is A plus 2B whole square minus 5B square. Okay, if I do a square, then A square plus 2 into A into 2B plus 2B whole square minus 5B square. So A square plus 4AB plus 4B square minus 5B square. A square, if we subtract 4B square from minus 5B square, then we get minus B square plus 4AB, and we know that A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. Now why I do this? In order to know which value is needed to solve this problem. Here you notice A plus B's value is given, AB's value is given, but A minus B's value is not given. So we need to find out the value of A minus B first. After finding out the value of A minus B, then we shall solve the left hand side of question number C. Do you understand? I hope you have understood. Now here you write C, and you can write from B. We can write from B we get A plus B equal to 12 and AB equal to 32. Now we find out the value of A minus B whole square. What is the formula of A minus B whole square? When we need to find out the value when A plus B's value is given, and we can write from this A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Okay, this is the formula. Now A minus B whole square equal to the value of A plus B is 12 square minus 4 into 32. Then A minus B whole square equal to 144 minus 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So A minus B whole square equal to 8 to 14, it is 6, carrying on, that one is added with 2 and it will be 3. Now we subtract 3 from 4 and we get 1. So A minus B whole square equal to 4 square. Now we do a square root both side and we get a minus b equal to 4, or we cancel square from both side and we get a minus b equal to 4. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, a plus b's value given, ab's value given, and a minus b's value is also found by solving. Now we can easily solve the left hand side of this question. So as I have no space here, so I solve this in this section, right? Okay, so here LHS equal to a plus 2b, a plus 2b whole square minus 5b square. Now a square plus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b square minus 5b square. So a square 2 2s are 4, 4ab plus 4b square minus 5b square. Now a square, if we subtract 4b square from minus 5b square, then we get minus b square plus 4ab. Now we do the formula a plus b into a minus b plus 4 into, what is the value of ab? It is 32. Now here I give side note by putting the values. Okay. Now what is the no, we don't write here, just here we write for AB. Next, in this section we put the formula, and after that we write a plus b's value is 12 and a minus b's value is 4 plus 4 into, what is the value of AB? It is 32. And now we write that by putting the values. Okay, 12 4 jar 48 and 4 2 jar 8, 3 4 jar 12. Now we do addition, 8 8 16 carrying 1, 4 2 6 plus 1 7 and 1 is written here. So it is right hand side. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear student. Now we write left hand side equal to right hand side proved. This is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. If you have any problem in this section, then you must make a phone call to me. My phone number is given here. So I repeat, there is no SW today, but you have to practice more and more time this CQ, and this is very very important for your half yearly exam. Okay, my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.